So I need to make sure that the bottom plate on this wall is straight. So the first thing you do is you make sure that you have a pin, a nail, concrete nail in, and the wall is where it's supposed to be. See that mark? So I've got 2 pins on this side, and over that side, I've got a pin, and it's where it's meant to be. See the mark right there? And then I've got a 35mm block. First you run a string line all the way along, and then put a 35mm block in to hold it off the wall, 35mm. And the same thing over here, 35mm block over that side. And then all you do after that is you go along. I'm just going to every second stud, and then I'm putting in my 35mm block. I can see that this wall needs to go in that way, so I get the lumpy, and then I'll tap it in. I then work along with the 35mm block and push the bottom plate to where it needs to be, and then I use the concrete nailer to pin it down. Now you can see all those red little nails. I've done that along the whole wall, and now the bottom plate is straight.